Hi everybody, it's Miss Boyd with MindUp. Our next series of lessons will be about sharpening the senses to help your brain work faster and stronger. Just like parts of our bodies look different and have different jobs, so do the parts of our brain. Here's the hippocampus. If you remembered its name, it's because your hippocampus is doing its job to remember. The PFC looks blue in this picture, but in your brain it isn't color-coded. But you know that, because the PFC is doing its job and thinking clearly. Here's a security guard, the amygdala, keeping us safe. And over here, we will learn about a new part of the brain. It's called the Reticular Activating System. Everyone calls it the RAS, and so will we. The RAS is really amazing. The RAS acts like a filter because most of the time there are a lot of things happening around us and way too many details to notice everything. There's so many sounds, smells, things to see, taste, and feelings. The brain cannot process all the millions of bits of sensory information that the rest of the body is sensing. So, the RAS filters and blocks what we don't need to notice, so we can pay attention and focus on what we do want to notice. What's really cool about this part of the brain is that we can control the RAS filter. Because we can control the RAS filter, we are able to focus and achieve our goals. All we have to do is set the filter, focus, and practice. Because what we practice grows stronger. Now we will practice a MindUp exercise to help our brains grow sharper, stronger, and faster. It's called Secret Sounds. This will sharpen the listening part of the brain. I will make secret sounds, and you will activate that part of the brain to solve the sounds that you hear. Let's begin. Starting with core practice. Close your eyes, sit up tall, relax your body. Breathe in slowly and let each breath go. Now that you are relaxed, think about the RAS doing its job, filtering and focusing. Filtering and focusing. Listen to these sounds. Open your eyes now and let's see how we did. Were some sounds harder for you to solve? It doesn't matter if you didn't get them all, because what's most important is exercising the brain to make it grow. It's actually sharper, stronger, and faster than it was at the beginning of our lesson. That's pretty amazing, don't you think? It's okay if your mind wandered too. That's why we are training the brain, so it can filter, focus, and be stronger, sharper, and faster with more and more practice. Can you think of a time when you heard an important sound warning you of danger? The sound alerted you to pay attention. You focused on what was happening around you so you could make the best choice to be safe. What about when you hear a familiar voice or your name in a noisy crowd? Your RAS filtered and focused on the important information. You are also part of a community, so mindful listening is so very important. Mindful listening helps us be more thoughtful when we hear and respond to the words of others. Being able to listen and respond in a thoughtful way is an important skill for everyone, young and old. This week, you can exercise your brain by having a secret sound challenge at home. You can have a discussion or journal about sounds you like and sounds you don't like. There is also an extra listening exercise video included this week so you can train the listening part of your brain with its memory. Each time you practice, notice how your superpower to listen grows sharper, stronger, and faster. Until next time, everybody, be safe, be happy, be healthy. Bye. Thank you.